Well, hey everybody, here we are. Happy holidays. And if you have been waiting to get some free skincare and you are a part of Team Chris and this channel, today is your day. Well, as I said, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert. I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. And is this a great day and a great video for you to be watching? Because 2021 has been, what words, a phenomenal year to go from 10,000 subscribers to 117 plus almost 118 likely by the end of the year. Amazing. So much love, so appreciated. And also for those of you who are new, you may not know that every year on my skincare blog, Skin So Fabulous, which is attached to the channel, we give away skincare. In fact, we do it off and on all year long, but typically December is the big skincare giveaway. And think about this year and all of the brands I have been privileged to review, yes, privileged to review and share with you tons of skincare. Many favorite items, both on the blog and on the channel, I wanted to include in this year's giveaway. So I'm going to keep this video simple because the rules and what you have to do are going to be on the blog. This is not a YouTube giveaway. This is a Chris Gibson Skin So Fabulous blog giveaway. So there will be 3 winners, which is typically what I do. So those of you who have done this before will know exactly what I'm going to be saying. And those 3 winners get to pick the skincare products, sets of products that they actually want to receive if they win. So it's really a great way to do this because you get to pick out things that really are meaningful and helpful for you. Now, all of these products I have talked about on the channel and have reviewed them at some point. I will, in the video description box, link to some reviews on some of these products, but you really need to go to the blog, and I'm going to explain how that's going to work in just a minute in order to get all that particular information. 3 winners. First place random drawn winner will get their 2 picks, plus they're going to receive the fabulous, phenomenal Cure Red Light Therapy Mask and their new multitasking serum that I just reviewed last month. So again, if you haven't seen these reviews, they will be linked to down below in the video description box for you. Highly recommend you check those out so you know how phenomenal this mask really is. The second randomly drawn winner is going to receive their 2 picks out of all of the skincare listed over on the blog and this mystery My Face bag, which will be packed full of luxury skincare items. Doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl. These are going to be items that will be meaningful to you and that you can use for yourself or as gifts as you move along through the year. So whatever works for you, you get that plus your picks. The third randomly drawn person will get to pick 3 of the items on the list of products. So let's talk about some of these products that are actually in the wish list. First, you're going to be able to pick from sets of skincare items like The Ordinary. I have a 3-piece set, which is a vitamin C serum. Their very popular peel solution and niacinamide. Also some really great mask products like the pharmacy's Honey Potion Hydrating Mask. This will be in the list to pick. Also, the very popular Gleaming Yellow Clay Mask. Very popular item this year on the channel and the blog. That's the one that's made with turmeric, and aloe. I love this particular product. It works very well across skin types. I also included the Olay Mask Resurfacing Peel. That's the one that's made with vitamin C and glycolic acid. Works very well. It is a salon grade effect that you get from using that product. Gotta wipe Emma's dog hair off of me. Also included is the 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Mask. It's a lifting and tightening mask. It works exceptionally well. I reviewed this on the channel and also excited to offer you guys in the wish list or pick list, whatever you want to call it, some CO technology. That's the silicone patches that are used to retrain the wrinkles in your skin. This is the Eye and Smile Lift version. That will be available for you to pick if you win. Also, tons of my favorite products that I talk about on the channel all the time. The AHA Renewal Skin Serum from Alpha Skincare. That's a 14% glycolic acid. Neutrogena Hydro Boost products, eye gel, moisturizer, face wash, body lotion. Those will all be in there, as well as the Inky List collagen booster, which is one of my favorite products. Nutritional products like the collagen peptides by Vital Proteins that I personally take, and even the plasma pen that I reviewed this year to help remove spots and imperfections on your skin, saving you tons of money. So what do you have to do? Well, watching this video obviously is a part of that, or you wouldn't know about it, but you have to go over to my Skin So Fabulous blog, which will be the first link below in the video description box, just below the description of what we're doing here, and read those directions. They're very simple. Signing up for the blog is free. You can get notifications. You can turn notifications off so you don't have to get notifications when I have posts. However, the blog is a very helpful resource in addition to this channel to help you get your best skin ever. So I don't think you'll want to miss out too much on that. On that link that's below, it will take you directly to the post that lists out all of the items that you're able to pick from, what exactly you need to do, which isn't very much. And for the legal stuff, if you are 18 or over, you're eligible in any country as long as you're allowed to participate in contests and receive products from the USA. If you are not and you participate and you win, I'm sorry, you will not be able to be given the prize. So that's just the way it works. Some countries allow this, some don't. That said, there will be rules listed for the contest as required by law on the blog and down below in this video description, so you can read them there as well. So how long do you have to participate? The contest starts December the 7th and it ends at midnight. New Year's Eve, December the 31st. The gifts to go out the first part of January. So don't delay, get in on this while you can. Again, it's free stuff. Free, totally free. As I said before, I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting this channel and my work to try to help people figure out the skincare conundrum that exists today with so many products and ingredients and a new skincare line by some celebrity every 20 minutes. I think Ellen just came out with one called Kind to Skin or something like that. So yeah, I get it gets overwhelming, and that's my job to try to use my 34 years of experience to try to help you figure this stuff out and get your best skin ever. That said, love you guys. Happy holidays. Go over to the blog and get involved in this. It's free skincare. Why not? And it's good, good stuff. And I will see you over on the next video. Got a skincare question you want answered? Just type Chris Gibson and the topic in the YouTube search bar and the video will come up.